Hey, hey, honey, guess what? Yeah, what is it? I'm pregnant. Oh my god, we're gonna have some kids! I know, right? We're gonna have some kids today. Yeah, I know, I'm very excited today. Honey? Yeah, I know, I'm very excited. Oh no, my bladder broke. Oh my god, we gotta take her to the hospital. Oh my god, doctor, is she gonna be okay? Yes, she's gonna be okay. She has to push the baby out first. Honey, push, push, push. Oh my god, it's a boy. What would you like to name it? I'm gonna name him Anton. Yep, now you may take him home. Okay? 6 years later. Well, rest in peace, Mom and Dad. 20 years later, looks like I bought a new house now. I got a new house now. Well, I guess I have to live here for the rest of my life.